Join me in making this pinwheel quilt square. First, you're going to cut out all your fabric in 2.5-inch squares in the amounts shown. Then you're going to pair them up in these 3 different color patterns using the fabric you just cut out. First, you're going to take 2 of your squares and put them right sides together. Going to make sure that all of the lines are lined up and it's even, and then you're going to draw one line from corner to corner, and then you're going to go and sew 1/4 inch to either side of the line you just sewed. Once you're finished with that, we're going to cut on the line that we drew to create 2 half triangle squares. Once we do that, we're going to press our seam open so it will lay flat. And then we're going to trim off the corners of the seam. Once we are finished with this, you're going to do that 8 more times to make 16 different half triangle squares. Then we're going to lay out our all the squares that we just made in this pinwheel pattern. And then once you have your layout finished, you're just going to sew along all the seams. And I'm doing it by kind of the columns first, and then I'll go through and do the rows. Once I'm finished with all the sewing, I'm going to press all the seams with my iron just so that they stay down better rather than just with my fingers. I'll press them on the back, one half, and then the middle, and then I will flip it over and just press out the front of it. Then after that, the quilt square will be finished. So thank you for watching.